Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi, and for those of you who are new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this. Actually no, I'm going to be showing you how to throw on this wig. The name of the wig is throw on and go. Literally, you're going to throw it on your head and hit the road, and I'm so excited to show you how easy it is, you guys. By the way, today's video is sponsored by Luvme Hair Company. Thank you so much, Luvme Hair Company, for sponsoring today's video. So without any further ado, baby, let's get straight into the video. So guys, I'm quickly going to do an unboxing so that you know exactly what to expect when you purchase hair from Luvme Hair Company. So this is how the box looks. It is purple and gold. The first thing that you are going to get from this box is a little love note from Helena, the founder of Luvme Hair. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on. And you're also going to get a booklet. It has instructions on how to wash your hair, a wig cap, my favorite part. Let's see what's inside, you guys. Baby hair brush, Luvme hair scarf, it's a mirror. Yes, oh my goodness, this is a mirror and it's branded Luvme Hair. How cute is this? I'm so happy. I'm so impressed. Oh my goodness, it's a mirror. I thought it's a card holder. I'm so excited, you guys, to try on this hair because I have never ever tried it. It's something new to me, you guys. So yeah, this is called a throw on go, meaning there is no need for you to be gluing down your hair. There is no need for you to be fixing your edges. It is no glue needed and nothing. So this is how it looks inside. And these are the curls as well. So this is the maid. As I told you, no lace, nothing. So you have two combs on the side and one comb over here. Adjustable belt and an extra belt as well. This video is self-explanatory, so I'm gonna let you guys watch and enjoy the rest of the video. Okay.
I got an ache inside of me. It's a deep hole where I bleed. Oh, can I see you lit? An ocean without land, not a single grain of sand. I'm drifting on it. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you're close. I know I'm a lost case, I'm a mess. But everything feels a little bit lighter with you. Something's letting me heal. You're making it brighter right through the gray. real. With you I get that. You're like a lighthouse in a dream, really distant but your beam is guiding me home. So cold yet warm when you hold me, when you close. I know I'm a lost case.
This wig is super soft. You can shake it all you want, it's still going to look amazing. Okay, so you can run all you want, it's still going to look amazing. Oh, by the way, these curls are dry. The curls are dry, and look at me. Look at the quality of Luvme Hair Company. Okay, and there you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also do follow me on Instagram at Curly Memes. Please do not forget to check the description box for more information and for direct links to purchase this hair from Luvme Hair Company. Until next time, bye guys.